Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to ask a recommendation on LinkedIn. So let's start with the video. So here I'm on my profile. Okay, so there is a two way you can ask the recommendation. So I will show you one by one. So before you start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So first way, just go to the profile page by clicking the name, or you can go from here. Just click tab on view profile, and here in more, okay, on add section you have to tap add section and go to the additional information. In additional information you can see the request of recommendation. Just click on it. Now you have to search the person, uh, who do you want to ask. Okay, so just search the person. I'm searching the person here, this person. Just click the continue. Now you have to select the relationship with this person. Means how do you know him? This means they directly manage you or you report directly you. Okay, just click on it. Any relation with netcast manage you directly, netcast report directly to you, netcast was senior to you but did not manage directly. So you can select whatever you want. You have to select the position. This is your current position, job heading. Select out of this, write something here and just send the person and send them this. So I have already sent the request to the person, so it did not send. You have to send this, and after send, this person receive the request like this. Okay, this person request receive the request on message, and they will accept here. They will accept like done. Please check, and you have checked this. Okay, no, recommendation. Okay, so yes, I saw. Thanks. It will be accept you, and on your profile you will get the recommendation. Okay, if you refresh the profile. Okay, so refresh the profile, and after you get the approval from this person, you will see the recommendation here. Scroll down, and here you can see the recommendation. So this recommendation I just get from this person. Okay, so there is another way. Just find the person from here. Okay, you can just find the person from here, go to the more, and you can request recommendation as same way. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.